touch my heart as you do. I could search through all eternity long and find there is none like you. If you know the song with the fruit of your lips, just worship. Yeah. So there is none like you. Lift up your hands to Him as you worship Him. Profess your love to Him this morning. No one else can touch my heart as you do, Jesus. I could search through all eternity long and find there is none like you. I don't know, Jesus. Said there is none like you. Oh, Jesus. And no one else can touch my heart as you do. I could search through all eternity long and find there is none like you. So I say, I praise you, I praise you. Oh Lord, I praise you, I praise you. Jesus, we praise you, name. We praise you. Oh Lord, we're going to worship you, Lord. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. In my life, yes, Lord, we see what you are doing. One more time. Jesus, yes, we going to worship you, Lord. In praise of your name, of your name, of your name. Lift up your hands and say to Him, oh Lord, we praise you, Lord. We praise you from the depths of our heart. We say, we are here to running our songs to you. And we worship you, Lord. Alpha and Omega, ancient of days, in my life. Lord, we see what you are doing. We know what you are doing. One more time. From the depths of our heart, Lord, we lift our hands to worship. Hey, I come back to the hey, oh, your name. Jesus, we lift our hands to worship. So we say, I will worship you forever, love you forever, because this God, you are too good. Oh, you know the song, worship for the heart. Say to Him, we will worship. That's why we are here. Forever, love you, Jesus, forever, because this God, you are too good. Yes, we worship you, Lord. Worship you forever, love you forever, because yes, Lord, you are too good. too good. Oh. In every circumstances and situations, He remains the same. I say, this God, you are too good. Oh. No matter what comes our way, you are there. You are there for us. Oh, this God, you are too. I don't know what you have been through, but confess it with your mouth. This God, you are too kind. Oh, this God is too good. So I say, you have done so much for us, Jesus. We cannot tell it all. Yeah, I am we said to Him, I said, if I have 10,000 tongues, we know it still would be enough. I don't know if you understand the song. We are saying, you have done so much for us. We cannot tell it all. here 'cause we have you. Yes, Lord Jesus, you are so good to us. Just for the everything. Just for the everything. Jesus, you are so good to us.
In all circumstances.
Jesus, you are so good to us. Say to him,
In all circumstances.
no matter what comes your way, he said,
In all circumstances.
through the storms, through the challenges, he's always there by your side. Jesus, you are so good to us. Say, that is why we are grateful. You are so good to us. Said in all circumstances.
In all circumstances. Oh.